Dear all, I hope you have a wonderful break. So before the break, we have learned about many descriptive statistics such as frequency table, histogram, bar chart, pie chart, and we have seen like how we can draw that. We have learned how we can draw that, right? And we have also learned about different measure of central tendency like mean, mode, and median. And we have calculated them manually. And for the measure of variation as well, we have learned variance and standard deviation, and we have learned how we can calculate them manually. But in practice, we do not manually calculate them, right? We usually use a statistical software or a programming language to do that. And in this class, we'll be showing how we can calculate them by using a statistical software. And the name of the statistical software is SPSS. That is very easier. You don't have to write any program or code anything. So we can do everything manually. So that's very easier. And to do that, we need this software. And we can download this software from Sam Houston Resources. And to do that, you have to visit our homepage, which is like www.ssu.edu, and from that you have to go to tools and support. So click on tools and support, and then you have to go to SamWeb, and then you have to go to this menu bar, to this three bar, click here, then IT at SAM, select this one, and then you have to go to home use program, select this one, and then the software that we are interested for is SPSS statistics, right? So select this one, then you have to agree with the terms and condition, so select that you agree with the above terms and condition, and then submit. And then this software is not free if you download that from other resources, but you have to download that from these resources, and this is the license key. You have to use this license key to use that free, so do not forget that, use this license key. Now based on the operating system, you have to select the proper version. So if you are a Windows version, then it is easier, you have to just download this one and install. But if you are a Mac user and you have a operating system of Mac OS operating system, then you have to select this one. But if you have a older processor like Intel processor, in that case you have to select this one. I believe most of you has operating system which is like M2 or latest, then in that case you have to select the third one. So once you download that, then I'll be showing how you can install that. So I'll ask all of you to download that, and then I'll be showing you how to install this software. I hope you have successfully downloaded this software, and now I'll be showing how you can install that. So for downloading the software, you have to basically download the proper version from there. You already know that, and this is the license key that we have to use, because this software is not free if you download that from other option. But Sam Houston has already bought that, and this is the license key for that, and you have to use that free. So then after the downloading this software, it will look something like that. For the Mac user, it will be look like that, and for the Windows user it will be something very similar to that, right? And then it probably asks you to launch the license user. Just select this one, and then select the first one from these two, which is like authorized user license, or I purchased a single copy of the product, so select this one, then select next, and then you have to use this license key. So after using this license key, add here, and then go to the next, select this, select next, and then this license key will come down here, select next, then it will verify the license key, select next, then this is some license completion, then if you just click finish, you have successfully installed this software. And now I'll be showing like how this software will look like, and how we can work with the real data, and calculate different measure of variation and measure of central tendency, and also draw graph like histogram, bar chart, pie chart, and frequency table, and so on.